Stella with the Fair Party, and today I will be showing you how I make a tiered column diaper cake. These are the items that I will be using, and I will put them in the description down below. Alright, first thing we're going to do is make the diaper circles. We're going to need 3 diaper circles. The first one is going to have 30 diapers. The center circle is going to have 20, and the top is going to have 10. So I'm going to roll them in this pan. This pan is a 12-inch pan. And I'm going to cascade them around. And I'm going to do this for each circle. Now that I've got all my tiers made, it is time to decorate. I'm going with a mint blue, light pink, and a gold. So what I do is I measure the ribbon around the diaper circle. I hold its place and then I cut at the point the ends meet. Alright, so my diaper cake is decorated. I ran out of the gold ribbon, so I just added some bling. Couldn't resist. But there's it. So now we are going to make the columns. So I have gold paper here. I got it from Michael's. It's gold foil paper. So the first columns I'm going to make are the small columns that goes in between the tiers. So I'm going to cut this in half and then roll it. Oh, and I also need some double-sided tape. I'm taking the double-sided tape and placing it at the end of one of the roll on the inside. Just so I don't have to put tape on the outside and so it doesn't get seen. I'm going to need 6 rolls. Alright, so I've got 6 columns for the inside of the diaper cake. And I'm going to need one long center column. And this column is going to be 20 inches. I'm using 2 of the gold foil papers. And I'm going to use a measuring tape to measure the length. I'm just going to use regular tape. Alright, now that I've got my towers, I need to put them on the diaper cake. I've got 6 skewers here. I didn't cut the ends off, but I put some tape on the the pointy side so it doesn't like snag on the diapers. And I'm going to find a spot, 3 on each tier. I'll place 1 column on each stick. Alright, so here's the tricky part. I've got to place the points inside of the bottom of the middle tier. Oh, I forgot this. So I decided not to use the shred or the bows. Instead, I'm going to use these flowers that I got from the Hairball Center. I'm going to put them in the front and on the top. And then I have the crown that I made. All done. Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. If there's something that you would like me to make, comment down below and I will put it on my list. Thanks for watching.